What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to use the TikTok affiliate program to make money. So the affiliate program for creators is simply for you to promote a certain product on your page, on your TikTok account, and each time someone buys this product through your link, your affiliate link on TikTok, you'll get a small commission. So to do so, go to tiktok.com/affiliate and you'll get to the affiliates program web page right here, where you can scroll and read all the info related to this program, and you can join now here. Now all you need to do is to join TikTok for Business. So enter all your information, such as your personal information, your company name, your company website, your address, and your phone number here, and then your promotional information, as well as your business model if you are a creator, network, commerce, solution, and anything. And you can go ahead and read the agreement. So you can register for free, and you get here these are the conditions and the payouts here, the commissions. So you read it, and you read also the affiliate rules here. And once you are done entering all your information, you can sign up here, and you are now enrolled in the TikTok affiliate program.